This is the charging by induction video. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to charge the electroscope without touching it with the charged piece of PVC. I'm going to charge PVC on the rabbit fur, and I'm going to bring it near to, but not touch, the ball on the top of the piece of the electroscope. I'm going to take this piece of metal, I'm going to bring it near, I'm going to touch the ball with the metal, and I'm going to remove the ball. Now, notice when I pulled the PVC away from the electroscope that the spacing between the rod and the metal arm here increased, but when I bring it back, it decreases. Watch what happens when I put the the piece of PVC near the electroscope. That's attracting very strongly, okay? What I have done is I have charged the electroscope, but I have not touched it with the charged piece of PVC. Now, I don't know that this will work, but we're going to see what happens here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to charge by contact again, and we'll see what the electroscope does when I bring the rod near after charging by contact. Okay, so I have charged the electroscope with by contact, and you can tell from the way it's bouncing, it's going to bounce a little bit just because of the balance issues there on that little rod, that there's a bit of charge on it because there's quite a separation. So when I look what happened. When I brought the piece of PVC in near the charged rod, first time it repelled. Now it's attracting. I think we're losing charge. The thing though that you need to see was that charging by induction, I got an attraction between the electroscope and the piece of PVC. Charging by contact, some of the charge is probably leaking away just due to the humidity in the air. Refresh that a little bit. And when I bring this near, it repels. Okay, I get repulsion between the piece of PVC and the leaf of the electroscope when I charge by contact. I get attraction when I charge by induction. Okay, that's the end of this video. So there are some questions for you to answer, and then we'll move on to the next thing, which will be investigation about the amount of charge on a pith ball.